I know what you'll think. Being hot. Bland. Well, we know hot. I know you'll think hot too. That's not bad. For 3 minutes in a microwave. Yeah, I bet you'll like it. It's a white thing. Maybe a water chestnut. I have no idea. It's a mushroom. No, tastes bad. Chewy and no flavor. Broccoli. Complete mush. And a bad flavor. Almost burnt flavor. That sucks. And cabbage, complete mush. Carrot. A little more texture. Well, maybe the beans aren't so bad. Yeah, you really want to try? Alright. This is a bean. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't taste that good, does it? No. Yeah. All of a sudden the noodles aren't as bad. Lucy, want to try some noodles? Alright. Oh, super light. Okay. We gotta be fair. It's okay. Fuzzy. Oh, good girl. What do you think? Yeah, you're gonna have to be a pass for me. Maybe next time Costco, but hey, I got 4 more in the freezer, so they'll get eaten. See you next time, I guess.